This is the easiest way to go viral on TikTok right now, especially if you are a small account. As a new creator, it is easier than ever to go viral on TikTok. However, that is only if you implement the secret tricks that I will share with you in this video. I will also share a list of the biggest mistakes you might be making on TikTok. And if you make even one of these mistakes, then that could be the reason why you are failing to go viral. When you manage to fix these mistakes, it will help you get more views, more followers, and ultimately more money. I managed to grow my account to 300,000 followers, and the same thing can happen to you if you just implement these unique strategies. That being said, the number one most overpowered strategy that you can implement right now is to copy the top performing videos in your niche. Go to the search bar on TikTok and type in the topic of your next video. Here you will see other videos in your niche that have previously gone viral. If you are a complete psychopath and have no shame whatsoever, then you can straight up just steal the script word for word. In my niche, I've seen the same video script word for word done by 4 different creators. The same idea, same script, even the same music. And they all went viral, hitting over 3 million views each. I am ashamed to admit that even I used this strategy when I first started out, but it worked. The first video where I copied an already viral script got me my first video with over 100,000 views. And it was only my 11th video at the time, so you can get momentum fast with this strategy. Now, if your guilty conscience is telling you not to do this, then you can take the video idea, but tweak the script to match your authentic self. Keep in mind that most of the top creators aren't constantly coming up with new ideas. A lot of them actually take inspiration from others and they make it into their own, which I personally don't see anything wrong with. As the saying goes, good artists copy, great artists steal. Now obviously, you don't want to become a complete copycat because then your entire brand is going to be lifeless with no soul. Full on just ripping off other people's videos will not carry you for the long term.
Who is the best player? The best player is me, chat. I'm the best Fall Guys player on YouTube, bro. I'm the best Fall Guys player on YouTube, if we be honest, bro.
And I've actually noticed something interesting when I started to get more experience with making videos. As you watch and study more viral videos, you'll begin to notice some patterns. And once I started using these patterns more, I noticed that the videos that I created from scratch actually ended up outperforming the videos that I copied. This is because the video follows the viral patterns while at the same time also being unique, meaning that it hasn't been seen before by your target audience. Now, another trick to continue your momentum is to repost old videos of yours that have previously gone viral. Now, don't worry about your audience getting mad about seeing the same video multiple times. TikTok is constantly sharing your videos to a new audience, so you don't have to worry about viewer overlap. With TikTok, up to 25% of your uploads can be reposted content. And I've had videos where the repost actually ends up getting more views than the original post. But there are a few rules when it comes to reposting. 1, you must wait at least 72 hours in between reposts. 2, you don't want to delete the original post that you are reposting. And 3, do not repost someone else's piece of content, because doing so might get you banned for stealing content. What you can do instead is to do a reaction video to that piece of content. My favorite performing video was actually a reaction video to another video. All I did was put my face in the corner and I didn't even say anything of substance. Now this works because most of the people are actually watching the original clip, and some of them might not even realize your face just sitting there in the corner. Honestly, the reaction video I made was kind of trash, but somehow the algorithm gods decided to bless it with over 11 million views. Unfortunately, I did not have a call to action at the end of the video. If even 1% of them clicked the link in my bio, that would have been over 100,000 people seeing my offer. And the best part is that these reaction videos take way less time to make than a regular video because you don't have to spend time writing a script, and the editing is a lot easier to do. Another easy way to boost your video's performance is by using trending music. Music is one of the easiest ways to convey emotion in film. For that reason, picking the wrong song can make or break a video. Imagine seeing an emotional or intense movie scene and you have some dumb copyright-free music playing in the background. Now with TikTok, if you decide to upgrade to a business account, you aren't allowed to use a lot of the music on the platform. You could instead just go to YouTube and download a song that you can edit onto your video in your editing software. I've done it a few times and nothing seemed to happen, so I think you should be good. Now this might be illegal though, so do it at your own risk. If you get banned or something, then that's an L, bro, I'm sorry. Now let's jump into what actually makes a video go viral. Let's think about it from the perspective of TikTok. What is their main goal for the platform? So TikTok makes money by showing you ads on their platform. That means that their goal is to keep you on the app for as long as possible, resulting in you seeing as many ads as possible. That means that video watch time is the single most important metric that TikTok looks at. Now we have watch time and watch percentage. Watch time is the total seconds watched, and watch percentage is the percentage of the video viewed. You probably remembered when short 5-second videos used to get many views on TikTok. You know, the one where they take a 5-second clip and stick this long paragraph or inspirational quote on the screen, so you spend like 30 seconds trying to read it, and once you're actually finished, the video has looped like 6 times. This would make the video have a 600% watch percentage, which will result in TikTok pushing the video more. That meta has started to die down recently though. I've noticed that nowadays longer videos seem to be performing better than before, and TikTok recently extended the video time limit to 10 minutes, which suggests that they are starting to value total watch time more and more. Now, how do we actually get these numbers up? So with TikTok and short form content in general, the viewer base is mainly the younger demographic. So you need to make content with super fast paced zoomer edits, subtitles, autistic sound effects, random memes. The thing where you have the split screen GTA car edit next to the main video. You want to make the video as if you're making it for someone with ADHD. This is because our attention spans have been destroyed by social media, and the fast-paced edits is what's needed to keep people hooked into the video. Another metric that TikTok looks at is engagement. How many likes and comments do you have? The time people spend in the comment section typing out W Riz in Ohio means that they're spending more time on the app. To get more engagement means that you need to create something that actually sparks emotion. And by far the easiest way to do this is by being controversial. Sometimes being hated is a genius strategy. Look at Jake Paul, Donald Trump, Andrew Tate. All of these people that have gone super viral say and do things that are polarizing. Being on the fence and neutral about everything is not a good strategy. If you don't stand for anything, then nobody will relate to you. You can even troll, say the most retarded stuff, and the engagement will increase dramatically. By being polarizing, you will now have an army of people that hate you, but even better, you will also have an army of people that love you. Now be a little careful, obviously. Sometimes you can get yourself into trouble if you push too hard and make the wrong enemies. Andrew Tate and Trump, for example, getting in trouble with the law. Obviously, these are extreme examples, but you can replicate it at a much smaller scale where you can still make a decent amount of money, but aren't drawing too much unwanted attention to yourself. Now, here are a few bonus tips that you can use to increase the likelihood of your video going viral. This first one is called the loop ending trick. Basically, what you will do is make it so that the ending of your video flows seamlessly into the start of your video. This will make it so that the viewer hasn't even realized if the video has looped or not, which will boost your average watch percentage by a few percentage points. And trust me, each percentage can be the difference between a viral video and a flop. This second trick is one I've used so many times. Have you ever watched those videos where you're right about to get into the climax and then they go follow for part 2, and then you get a little pissed off, but then you check their profile to see if the video has been out yet, and maybe even drop a follow or click the link in the bio. This is basically what you gotta do for your video. I don't know why, but I've noticed videos where I use the follow for part 2 strategy just seem to perform better. I think it's because TikTok sees a bunch of profile visits and follows, and that just makes the algorithm think that the video is higher quality. Now, having people visit your profile is great because you can have a product that you sell in the link in the bio. There are many ways in which you can monetize your TikTok account, but I will save that for another day. If you are interested in the easiest way to monetize your TikTok account, I did a challenge where I managed to get to $1,023 in a week using my TikTok account, and I didn't need to make any products myself. I will put that in the pinned comment as well as on the screen for you to watch next.